You know how the fabric may pucker when we work in a ferrule or other stranded color pattern? There is a super simple way to prevent this issue. All we have to do is turn the project inside out. So whenever you want to test this method, it could be at the beginning of the round or anywhere within a round, arrange the needles so that you're ready to knit the next stitch. And then take the left needle in your left hand, right needle in your right hand, and use your thumbs to push the fabric inside the circle formed by the needles, like this. Push all the way up until the whole project is turned inside out. And then, without letting go of the needles, move the work so that the project is hanging down. And then continue to work in the color pattern, looking at the right side of the work that is now at the farther end of the round. So instead of being over here, the right side of the work is now over there. But that doesn't change a thing. We simply continue to work in the color pattern. And see what happens? The floats are formed on the outer side of the fabric. And because they are forming around the project, the strands are longer than the strands carried inside the project. And this length is just enough to keep the fabric relaxed when we turn it back to the right side when the project is finished. See, there is no puckering, the fabric is nice and flat, and as an added bonus, this simple method also takes care of the ladders that often form between the needles. See, there are no ladders over here. For more details about this method and to print the chart for the color pattern that I'm using on my swatch, get the full tutorial at tenrosday.com/Fair Isle Inside Out. Happy knitting, my friend. I'll talk to you in the next tutorial.